my friend, this is Amit, and here I am going to provide you the complete information regarding JEE Advanced. The exam is concluded now. So, as this year paper 2 was very difficult, so accordingly, that will have the effect on the marks versus rank versus all 23 IIT cutoff also. Subject wise cutoff and overall cutoff category wise, I will provide you here. Category wise rank, very few people will provide you on YouTube, so kindly watch this video up to the last so that you will get the complete information. So here I am going to provide you the complete information. So if your score is around 300 plus, general rank will be under 100, EWS under 10, OBC under 15, SC ST if you get by chance, you will get Air 1 for sure in your category. For 280 plus 200 marks, for 280 plus marks 200 rank. For general EWS 20, OBC 30. For 260, 400, 45 and 55 for general EWS OBC respectively. As I am showing you the number on the screen, that means that is available for only complete counseling guidance. As I will show you the banner on the screen again and again so that you can know detail of my guidance. In the description also link are available. WhatsApp I am providing you just because other people will take the money on website and they will not respond to you 3-4 days. But for me, once you contact in WhatsApp, then try to pay and then you will able to get the guidance from me 1-to-1 until your final admission is done. And not only for JEE but for all entrance exam across India, Manipal, VIT, COMEDK, EEE, JOSA, obviously we will be guiding you. For all the counseling across India, I will guide you. In the mid of this video, you will be able to check the detail of my guidance as well.
So hi friends, here I will introduce about my complete counseling guidance and mentorship to provide you the best possible college across India. All type of counseling I will guide you. JOSA counseling, JAC Delhi, CSEB, as well as JAC Chandigarh counseling. Here as other private engineering entrance exam like BITSAT, Manipal, VIT, COMEDK, AEEE, SRMJ EEE, KIT, as well as lots of counseling will be done based on the private college PSET as well as the LPU and also MST, CET, WBJ. So I will be guiding you for all entrance exam counseling process, and that is for choice filling, decision making, whether you should join this counseling or that counseling, which exam you should appear, whether you should go with this branch or that branch, because I will explain you the scope of every branch, syllabus of every branch so that you will find your interest. It is not only counseling but it is career counseling so that your career will be better. Here you will get service like personalized choice filling, 1-to-1 call, message session, video session, Google Meet session through my app. I will be contacting with you, live session I will be taking with you, and all time I will be available. Whenever you want, you can text me, call me, all time I will be available.
So next, if you talk about 240, 770 and 100 rank, for 220, 1.1 thousand, 110, 180 rank, that is for general EWS OBC. For 210, 1.6 thousand. For 200 plus, 2.3 thousand. For 190, 3.1 thousand. Sideways you can check for EWS OBC SC ST rank. And for 190, 3.1, 180, 4,000, 170, 5,000, 160, 6.1 thousand. For 150, 7.3 thousand. For 140, 8.6 thousand. For 130, 10,000, 120, 14,000, 110, 18,000. 100 plus marks, you will get around 23,000 rank. Below this, no need to discuss because you will not get the college. So that's why for other category, you can check up to the last also, that is for 90, 5.5 thousand rank EWS. For 80, 2.5 thousand SC rank. For 60, also 5,000 rank. So up to this, you will get the college. That's why I've included for other category. And similar information I will provide you for PWD separately. So just wait and go to PWD playlist whenever you want. You will be able to get the video. And here is the information marks for rank list. If you want to clear the JEE Advanced and be into the rank list of JEE Advanced, then subject wise 9 marks for general and total 90 to 95 marks this year will be. OBC 8 marks, EWS again 8 marks subject wise, and total overall 82 to 87 will be the cutoff. For SC 4 marks, ST 4 marks, PWD 4 marks, and total will 47 to 50 marks required. This was about marks with the rank and cutoff subject wise, and overall I have discussed category wise.